channel. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to another vlog. I know it's been a while I vlogged. It has been a while, but I'm back like I never left. So this is going to be my typical life in Port Harcourt vlog. I know this is going to be like, it's up to a month or 3 weeks I've last filmed a vlog. So guys, bear with me and enjoy this one at school. So this is my typical life in Port Harcourt vlog, where I get to do lots of things and all of those good stuff. I know in the course of this vlog I'm going to be unboxing this stuff I have here. I can even do it now for you guys, but I'm going to show you guys some clip of what it looks like in there, and well, what is in there and where I got it from at the end of the day. So guys, have you actually had this feeling where you felt like this is not going to be good, it's not going to be sweet or nice, and you ended up getting a tiny stuff in a tiny quantity of that particular thing, and when you tasted it, it was so sweet that you regret why you did not get more than expected. So that was what happened to me today. I actually went out with hubby to pick up some things from the office. So on getting back, I saw a particular meat pie that I'm not really a fan of meat pie, but when I saw it, I was like, let me just buy it because Prosper was on my neck and the rest of those things. So I just got it, hoping that it would just be one of those meat pie that we buy and it's not sweet. But when I tested it, my people, it was so interesting that I wanted to buy more, but we have gone far from where we actually purchased it. So on coming back, I got a call from 𝑦𝑒 saying that my parcel is actually ready. So this parcel, I got this from, I'm going to remove the top layer because I don't want my address to show. Let me just tear off that top layer. So I got this parcel from AliExpress. If you watch, I made a video about what's on my tablet. So I normally use a stylus for my tablet. So that stylus, the nib of the stylus is actually becoming bad. Like Prosper has succeeded in eating some part of it, so I needed a new stylus for my tablet. So guys, I had to order online. I ordered this particular stylus online. So I went to AliExpress and I was looking for something that was not too cheap, that would break the bank, that was not too costly, expensive, I mean, that would break the bank. So I just needed something that would be just okay with price, and if I can get free shipping, that one is to be nice as well. We don't like to spend too much money on things, something we can get for a cheap rate. You guys can call me cheap, but I know I'm not cheap. I'm just trying to do things that I know I can get for cheap, and then I'll start buying expensive. I don't do like that. If it warrants me to get something quality for a cheap price, I'm ready to get it. So I ordered from AliExpress. That was how many months back? A month back or so. Thinking that it's going to be the normal because it was free delivery and it was like up to 400 naira or so 500 naira on AliExpress plus free shipping. So I was like, let me just get it. Normally this stylus would have been close to 2,500, 3,000, 4,000 here in Nigeria, but because it's AliExpress, so it's way more cheap. So it's free shipping as well. So I was scared it was going to come late, but today while I was coming back with hubby, they gave me a call that my parcel just arrived. My parcel is in 𝑦𝑒, close to me here, so I went to 𝑦𝑒 to pick up this parcel, and my stylus is in there. Like, I just want to open it for you guys. So this is what it looks like. I just succeeded in opening this one, and this is what it looks like in there. Wow! When I actually picked this pink, I chose this pink color because I wanted something pink. So this is how it looks like. So I'm just going to bring it out from this place. See, it's way more heavier than my stylus I have at home. So this is like the cover of the stylus. So look at the nib. Have you seen how the nib looks like? See, this is the nib. This is what we used to write or draw on the screen. I use it to draw some of my graphics and subscribe, those names, some of those write-ups you see on my vlogs. It's actually made with my tablet and this stylus. So I use them to do my handwritten graphics. So, and also I draw stickers and I post them on my Pinterest account, which I'm going to post down below for you guys right now. So you can go over there, see some of my wallpapers I've designed and other stickers for daily journals that I've designed subsequently, and I'm still designing. So this is what I use most of those stuffs for. This particular one came with extra nib. In case of this nib, the mouth here, in case of it goes bad, I can actually change it. They added extra nib here, down here. So let me just show you guys what it looks like. So this is the extra nib they added here. So this is it. In case the one here goes bad, I can just change. This is actually a good buy, and I can say that AliExpress, I really, for this one, I give them a commendation. Like, they did well, and I really love what I got. I really love this, and I would also subscribe to people getting such kind of thing from them. And this is like one of the fastest delivery I've ever gotten from AliExpress, if you guys understand. So guys, I'm going to see you guys in the next scene. Stay blessed. Welcome back, guys. So guys, I just want to be sincere with you, because for some time this boy will not allow me to make this video. For some time I've been having creative block, like nothing is coming in. I've not been able to put out video. By the time I'm talking about this to you guys, I've actually uploaded my what do they call this video? Watch day routine video. How I wish Prosper can allow me to do this video, please. Like, I've actually uploaded my watch day routine video, but right now I was having, for like 2 weeks now, I've been having creative block. Prosper, please, let me just make this video. Thank you. I've been having creative block for like 2 weeks now, and I'm starting to get myself and just recuperate from that phase. It's not a good phase. If you're a content creator, it's not a good phase. So I don't even advise anybody to. I don't even like it when a content creator goes into creative block. It's just, you'll be feeling, your conscience will be judging you, and you can't just help yourself because there is nothing coming in. You're not thinking of anything. So I thank God that I'm out of it. So today I was watching 𝑦'm. I really love her a lot. Like, I love her vibe. I love the way she talks. I just love her and the way she do her things. If you watch, I personally like her because I feel anytime I watch her videos, there's always something to learn from her videos, even her vlogs. So today I was watching one of her videos when she the recent one, if not maybe the second to the last, where she was talking about her YouTube secret. So that video came like a motivation to me at this point, because my dear, there was nothing coming in. So the video just motivated me. I had to watch. This is it. I have to watch, rewatch, jot, like a whole lot. So I'm going to leave a link of the video in my description box so that you can go and watch it. So this is what I'm talking about. This is 𝑦'm. So I'll leave a link of the video for you guys so you can go and watch. If you're a content creator, you can actually watch and also learn. So guys, this vlog, I know it has just been all over the place because I did not really script it, but I'm just doing my best to bring out content for you guys, because it's not easy. Like I said before, when I started this particular scene, I told you guys I've been going through creative vlog for a very long time. So I'm trying to make videos ahead of time right now, and I'm also trying to be more effective with my planning and my uploading schedule as well. So please stay tuned, bear with me, and all of those good stuff. I also learned about being intentional about the kind of clothes I wear. I don't know if you've been in this phase where this kind of expectation versus reality. You put on a cloth and you feel like, I'm looking so fly, I'm looking so fine, and then when you now look at yourself in the mirror, or you now go out, what you fantasized about that dressing is not what you are getting. It's not the kind of reaction you are getting from people, from yourself. In short, you end up feeling like, I was fantasizing something big, but this is not even looking good. So I just feel me now being intentional about the kind of clothes I'm wearing, the kind of things I'm putting on, and also my body shape. There was a video I watched, is on how to find your personal style, from one of my friend Comfort Annie. I'm going to leave that video link in the description box as well. After watching that video, I had a new notion about fashion, dresses, and the kind, my body shape, and how to dress myself. And because of that video, I'm actually thinking of doing some changes to my wardrobe, because right now, as a content creator and somebody that is coming up gradually on YouTube, at some point in time you start influencing people to dress the right way. So right now I'm thinking of remodeling, upgrading my wardrobe, because I'm a dark person, so I need to wear something that will, I need to stop wearing clothes like this and top up my gains on neutral colors, bright colors, and all of those good stuff. So that is the update I came here to give you guys. In the course of me being creatively blocked, I learned a lot of things, and that kept me going, and I really thank God that I did not just go blank, but I was also learning even while I had nothing to give to you guys. So guys, that is the update on what happened when I had this 3 weeks break, and I hope you also go to watch these 2 videos I just talked about that motivated me in this week of being creatively blocked.
3 days later.
Hello guys, so welcome back. How have you been enjoying the vlog so far? So guys, today is Saturday and this is literally after 8 in the night, so I just came to know how you guys are doing and all of those good stuff. So nothing much happened today. I just went to make my hair, and that is all that's happened throughout the day. But tonight I'm going to be batch filming 2 videos tonight, and I'm trying to do a setup. Ever since I got my background, I've not been able to do, like, what do they call it? I've not been able to do a setup for my sit down videos, like setting my background up and then sitting down to do my sit down video with those background. I only use them for photography, but today I'm going to be trying out something new, setting up my backdrop for my sit down videos that I'm going to do, and I'm going to show you guys how I set them up, and I'm just going to show you guys my process of setting up and also how the process of making the videos as well. So I just wanted to chip that in, since I'm doing it and it's part of this vlog. I felt that you guys should see what I do behind the scene. But I'm certainly going to make the video of how I film and my setup for you guys. So I'm not going to show you guys my setup